In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from your ClickUp workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect, so you can keep your workspace organized and secure. Before we begin, a quick note on permissions. Only workspace owners and admins can remove members. If you don't have that level of access, you'll need to reach out to someone who does. Also, if you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're working in the correct one before you proceed. Start by heading to the upper left corner of your ClickUp screen and clicking your workspace avatar. This opens the main workspace menu, which is where you can access your people and settings. This is the hub for managing who has access to your workspace. Next, look for the section that lists your users. In ClickUp 4.0, you'll select People. If you're on ClickUp 3.0, the option is called Manage Users. The name is slightly different, but both take you to the same place. A clear list of everyone with access to your workspace, including their roles and status. Once you're on that page, use the search bar to find the member you want to remove. You can search by their name or email. If your workspace is large, this is the fastest way to narrow it down. Double check that you've selected the right person by confirming their profile details, such as their avatar or role, so you don't remove the wrong account. When you found the correct member, look to the settings column next to their name. You'll see an ellipsis icon, the 3 dots that indicate more options. Click that ellipsis to open the actions available for this user. From the menu that appears, select Remove. This action permanently removes the member from the workspace. That means they will immediately lose access to your workspace, including all spaces, tasks, and documents they could previously view or edit. Their historical contributions typically remain in place for record keeping, but they will no longer be able to sign in and interact with your workspace content. If you don't see the remove option, it usually means you don't have the necessary permissions, or you're trying to remove someone in a workspace you don't manage. In that case, contact an owner or admin for help. That's it. Click your avatar, go to People or Manage Users, depending on your ClickUp version, search for the member, open the ellipsis in the settings column, and choose Remove to complete the process. Keeping your member list current ensures your workspace stays secure and clutter-free.